Hey guys, it's your buddy Caden. We're here at a Jack and Jill event, and look, they even brought their bikes just to see the bus. I want to have to do that again, or do that every time I wanted something new. So I decided that I wanted to create my own business so that I could be able to buy the things that I want. And this is proving that anyone really can do it. So you may be wondering, can anyone do it? Of course. Something that would be an asset is something like a house, because you can sell it, rent it out, put it on Airbnb. And something that would be a liability is something like a car, if you're just using it to drive around daily. I commit to budgeting all of my money.
I commit to budgeting all of my money.
I commit to saving my money.
I commit to saving my money.
I commit to investing my money.
I commit to investing my money.
And I commit to securing the bag.
And I commit to securing the bag.
You guys can flip to the next page of your books once you're done. If you guys had to take a guess, how old do you think you have to be to own a bank account?
Either 16 or any age.
Any age is correct. You can be any age to own a credit or debit card, or you use your parents' help. Okay. Yeah, those are great answers. How about you? Do you think you really need sweets to survive?
Sweets, or rights.
Okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pencils down.
Hi, my name is Micah Brantley. I'm with the Fayette County Area Chapter of Jack and Jill. And we just had a wonderful afternoon with Caden and the Financial Literacy Buzz. We brought them in to teach our tween twos about financial empowerment, how to manage their own money, and when I tell you it was above and beyond what we thought, it was stellar. I cannot be more impressed with this young man, his whole family. It's so worth it. Visit his website. You'll not regret it.
And remember, if Caden can,
You can too!